to record a company day or night greeting, or whichever greeting you want to do, you're going to press the voicemail key.
Hello, you have
star.
Please enter your mailbox.
991.
Enter your passcode.
991 pound. So 9 is a hidden. 9 is a hidden feature.
To cancel an option you have access. The hard disk is 18% full. You have no new to send a message to all subscribers.
So she's not going to say press 9 because it's a hidden feature.
And group list
so voicemail.
Voice processing system. To leave a message, please enter a mailbox.
Star.
Please enter your mailbox
Nine
number.
nine one.
Enter your passcode.
991 pound.
The hard disk.
So you'll see where it says 9. 9.
To send a message to all subscribers, press 1. For mailbox and group list maintenance, press 2. For recording options, press 3.
3.
To make a custom recording, press 1. Please enter the recording
So if you
number.
want to put in there that 99 is the weather.
After the tone, please record, then press pound.
Inclement weather.
To
Pretend.
replay, press 1. To append this recording, press 2.
So I want to save it.
Saved.
Okay. So now it's in front of your normal day and night greeting because I just had him put that in there. So now if I want to go back in, I'm here in the office now because you guys had a 2-hour delay. So I would press the voicemail
Hello,
key.
you have reached the...
My voicemail?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, you have reached the MyTel voice processor. To leave a message, please
991, hold on.
enter your passcode, then press pound.
991 pound.
The hard disk is
9 is a hidden
18%
feature.
full. You have no new messages to send a message to all subscribers.
And you can see them
press
up
1.
here.
For mailbox
So you can
and
press this
group
button
list
here if you don't know what it
press
is.
2. To make a custom recording, press 1. To select
1.
a custom recording, press 2. Please enter the recording
99
number.
pound.
Inclement weather. To replay, press 1. To erase and re-record,
So press
3.
3.
To accept, press pound. After
This is
the
how
tone,
fast you have to
please
do it.
record, then press pound. To replay,
So it's,
press 1.
and then you just
To
press
append
pound to save
recording,
it.
save.
Okay.
Please
So that's
enter
how
the
fast you get rid of it. So now you've got voicemail messages. So if you press this little flying envelope, it'll tell you there's one message for 510 and one message for 990. So you have 2 mailboxes. They're not buttons. You just have to press this to get them.
Okay.
You don't have to come to her phone to check the messages. You would just press the voicemail message key, press star, and then do 990, and then the password will be pound, and you can listen to the messages from your phone. I have you get into the admin mailbox again, and I'm going to have you changing user passwords. Changing user passwords. So if you press the voicemail key again.
Hello, you have reached the MyTel voice processor. Please enter your mail. Enter your passcode, then press pound. The hard disk is 18%. To send a message to all subscribers, press 1. Enter the destination mailbox.
So then you would just enter the mailbox. So let's just do 510.
Mailbox number 510. If this is the correct destination, press pound. To change your personal greeting,
then it'll come
press
up with
1.
this, all
to
this
change
right
your
here.
name in the directory.
So you can change. You can do anything you want to anyone's mailbox because you guys have access to it.